Screed head control. Since the height of the screed head is critical to screeding a high-quality floor, let's look in detail at how each of these switches affects the operation of the S15R. When screed head control is put in auto position, the screed head uses information from the laser receivers to continuously adjust the elevation cylinders so that both sides of the screed head remain at the correct height. Note that if a laser receiver loses the reference signal, known as column block, the S15R will compensate for this. If you are in flat floor mode and a receiver is blocked, the S15R adjusts the blocked side to match the height of the unblocked side. It will also do this on timed lower when the receiver is blocked. When possible, make sure both receivers are picking up the laser beam before going into a blocked situation. The same is true when in sloped floor mode. During timed lower, the S15R will use the slope sensor to set the blocked side to match the height of the unblocked side. During the screeding pass, it will hold the blocked side at the last known angle based on the angle sensor information. If both laser receivers lose the reference signal, then the screed head will be locked on both the left and right sides. At that point, the operator will have to operate the machine manually, even though the auto manual switch is still set in the auto mode. In cases like this, the left and right elevation switches can be used to move the screed head up or down as needed to continue accurate screeding. When one of these switches is activated, the elevation cylinder on the matching side of the screed head will move in the direction indicated on the switch until the switch is released or the actuator reaches its limit. The elevation cylinder will remain in that set position until the reference signal is reacquired or the elevation switch is activated again. When the elevation auto manual switch is set to the manual position, the height of the screed head is not referenced to the laser transmitter at all. Instead, the height of the screed head is affected only by the left and right elevation switches. During a screeding pass, the screed head is automatically lowered to grade when the timed lowered switch on the right hand grip is momentarily pressed and released. To raise the screed head at the end of the pass, momentarily press and release the time raised switch on the left hand grip.